Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2022 Porsche 911 GT3. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches on the front. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver door. Okay, this door is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any scratches at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, the spoiler is in excellent condition, no scratches at all, and the back bumper is perfect as well. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks good, and the wheel has no curb rash. Alright, now the passenger door. I'm not seeing any scratches in this door at all. Everything here looks spotless. And now the last fender and wheel looks excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches on the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside, and we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on this door panel at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Very good. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure that we do not have any wear and tear at all. Perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Okay, so the steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.